Greatest Common Factor by Carly
and Ashley. Problem. Mrs. Roberts has 24 red apples, 32 green apples, and 16 yellow apples. She needs to put all of them in boxes. Each box needs to contain the same number of each color apple. How many boxes does she need?
Factors. To solve this problem, we need to find the greatest common factor, GFC, of the numbers 16, 24, and 32. Factor. A factor is a number multiplied by another number that makes up a larger number. Example. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Because 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, and 6 times 2 is 12.
Greatest common factor. To solve this problem, we need to find the greatest common factor of the numbers 16, 24, and 32. Greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of two or more numbers is the highest factor that the numbers have in common. Example. The factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. The greatest common factor is 5 because it is the only factor that all of the numbers have in common other than 1. List method. There are two methods to finding the greatest common factor, the list method and the chart method. List method. The list method is when you list out all of the factors of the numbers and look for the GFC. It is used mostly for smaller numbers. Example. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. The greatest common factor of 10 and 15 is 5. Chart method. The chart method is a bit more complicated, but it is easier for bigger numbers because you don't have to list out all of the factors. Using the chart method, you list out all of the prime factors of the numbers and put them in a chart. Only the full columns of the chart you multiply together. Example. Step 1. You list out all the prime factors of 56 and 72. Step 2. You put them in a chart. The full columns of the chart are 2, 2, and 2. When you multiply those together, you get 8. The GCF of 72 and 56 is 8. Try it out. Here is an easier problem for you to try. A boy named Tom had a bag of M&Ms. There were 12 red M&Ms, 6 green M&Ms, and 9 purple M&Ms. What is the GCF of the M&Ms? Solve it. List method. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Chart method. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. The prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. The prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. If you put the prime factors in a chart, you will find that the greatest common factor of 12, 6, and 9 is 3. Back to the problem. Now that you have learned how to find GCF, let's solve the original problem. We need to find the GCF of 16, 24, and 32. List method. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Chart method. If you put the prime factors of these numbers in a chart, you will find that the GCF of 16, 24, and 32 is 8. Congratulations, you've successfully learned GCF.
And that's GCF.
Congratulations, you've learned GCF.